welcome back to my channel. So we've got another new vlog for today, and we've got right here is an EDC, right? So we've got some EDC vlog over here every Saturdays here in my channel. All right, so yeah, and so before I'm gonna have to start up, so all of the items is not sponsored by any of the products that I've mentioned, right? So I bought this on my own money, so, and I bought in also some of them also is just only a couple of, right? So of me that I have been, well, when I am still in our country, Philippines, right? So yeah, here it goes, guys. So this is a DIY survival kit, right? So I got right here is a pouch that I have it, so when I am still in the Philippines, right? So I bring it up. So this one right here is why I I put all of my external hard drive. I put all my external hard drives in here, which is a bunch of music and movies, right? But for today, this is just only a permanent, right? Or a permanent or a temporary EDC survival kit, right? So okay, and then yeah, so this is on a because I need to buy a survival kit for this one, right? So and also I'm gonna need a new survival kit. So just saw some videos from the YouTube, right? So survival kit from Walmart, survival kit from Harbor Freight, so survival kit from Home Depot, right? Or Hobby Lobby, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna have to make a video for that one. So for today, I'm gonna make a video for this one. It's my DIY survival kit. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna start it up and put it on my second angle of the camera, which you can see it, right? All right. Right, and right, so here it goes. This is my DIY survival kit. So just only a permanent, right? So or for the meantime only, because I don't have a survival kit. Okay, so all of this one right here is DIY. So and it's also really right. So let's go, gonna have to open this up. So we've got right over here, got all of my survival kit right over here. So first is right over here, in which you can tell the you can tell the see the temperature, right? So either indoor or outdoor, right? So you can use it into outdoor also, this one. Accurate thermometer, right? So and it's also a really good one also. And I think I forgot where why. Okay, I remember where I buy. So I bought this on Walmart, right? So just only a couple of bucks, right? So yeah, so it's also yeah, I really need this one also, right? So okay, so next right over here is also I got some right here. This is bubble gum storage, but as you can see right here is a bunch of Purell wipes, so hand sanitizer wipe, right? So this is where I put my hand sanitizer wipe over here, in which I can use it up, right? You look at that. So yeah, so okay, next is also right over here is I still have to bring my medicine. So this is not the medicine that I am so for this one is gonna have my what is it called, my ibuprofen and also my Tylenol, right? So gonna have to bring this one, right? Gonna have to bring this one for some if you have headache or body pain relief, body pain ache. Okay, and also got this my first aid kit also. Is my minimalistic first aid kit, which I also bought this on King Supers, yeah, and it is a really good one also, because you can have it all right over here, right? So and it's also the next is also I've got over here is these items right over here. I got my Guidesman multi-tool, right? So I got my Guidesman multi-tool here, in which I can bring this up just anywhere if you want to have to bring this one, right? So have to repair something, right? So if you want to repair something. So next, okay, so next is gonna be also right over here. Let's go, gonna have to check some items over here. So we've got right here is my like this one, if you want to put this on, right? So yeah, gonna have to put this on like that one. Yeah, so here it goes. Yeah, and then you can put this on right over here. But since yeah, it's too big for my, it's too big for my, it is too big for my wrist, right? So I'm gonna have to open this up, okay? And there you go. Gonna have to open this up, and then yeah, one thing is also right over here is this one. Yeah, I don't know what is one, but it's also, it has also as a whistle and also a compass. So this is a paracord, or this is a paracord bracelet, right? So it's too big for my wrist. That's why it is so wriggling, okay, juggling in my. Okay, and right over here, I got some knife. Okay, got some folding knife. So we've got right there is the pro gear, I think. Yeah. So the pro grade. Okay. So the name is missing. Okay, it's still in a good condition, and it's also a really good one. And it has also a serrated knife right over here. And this is one sharp knife that we can bring it up. So for your survival, right? So this one is a good one. All right. So if you, yeah, I think I bought this on King Soppers, right? So, and it has also as a glass breaker right over here at the bottom, right? Right. So, and then also right here. So I bought this when I'm still in Philippines, right? So this is a rechargeable. This is a rechargeable flashlight pen, right? So we can see right over here. You can see that's a UV ray. Oh yeah, and then we've got right in the, and also the next one is also a laser, and also the, you know, light over there, so the flashlight. So I still have some pen flashlight, okay. So right over here is got some pen flashlight we get from the Energizer, and then this is a battery operated, right? So this is a battery operated. So you can see right there is a AAA battery. I think two AAA battery, and it's still on working, right? So yeah, I just found this on the street. Okay, I think they throw it away is big. I think they throw it away is because it is useless for them. But for me, it's still useful. Is because, you know, sometimes okay, because sometimes you just have to make it, you know, it's still on yeah, it's still good, and then yeah, has a good light, has a good light, and it's also, yeah, very bright light. So yeah, look at that. So yeah, perfect. So this one right here is a USB rechargeable, in which, yeah, you just have to plug it, you know, from the, you know. So for example, I'm gonna have to charge it up in my, so I'm gonna have to charge it up in my power bank. So you just have to put it like that. So you just have to charge it up, right? So there you go. Yeah. So it's on charging mode, right? So okay, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, so it's charging, as you can see. That light is charging, but it is now, but this one is fully charged, right? So this one is a fully charged. All right. So yeah, so yeah, there it goes. That's just only, this is just only my you know, this is just only my my survival kit, right? So not too many, not so you know, like that. So you know, but worth it, right? So it's because, okay, I'm gonna have to get a quick recap. So this is the pouch survival kit that I have, and which also I have some two flashlight over here. We got the pen flashlight, right? And then also another pen flashlight that has a laser and also has an ultraviolet, right? So, and it's also UV. Okay, we've got my knife also right over here, and it's also, yeah, still in a good condition. And then I've got this one paracord bracelet, and it's also right over here is my multi-tool plier, right? So yeah, there it goes. It's my multi-tool plier. And then also next is also got right over here is also my thermometer on the go, right? So, and also my first aid kit, and all over here, and also got some medicine, ibuprofen on Tylenol right over here. And we've got also right here is the Purell wipe, right? So antiseptic wipe. So you just have to, well, like that. So I'm gonna have to take a quick sample, right, so that you will see it. So yeah, so I think most of you didn't know this one, right? So this is a handful of sanitizer wipe, right? So we're gonna have to take it up, but you know, it's wet, right? So it's wet is because you have to, like that one, and then here it goes, and then you're just gonna have to wipe this one, and then yeah, and also you can use this into your spoon, right? Or you can for your spoon, right? This is a good one also if you really want to have. Yeah, perfect. So I don't have a link for this wall. I don't have a link for this all, but you can have some, right? That one. But I think you can search it into this Walmart accurate mini thermometer, right? So for the Walmart. All right. So yeah. All right. Okay.